Hi there, today I'd like to take a look at this product. It actually comes in a really nice case, and the tools itself are really nice as well. The case itself is about 8¼ inches this way, about 5 7/8 inch that way, and about 1 7/8 of an inch tall. It locks like this. And then you open it up, you have this on the top, and it has the lifetime warranty, and then you got your collection of tools over here. Seems to be really well made, and you're able to keep everything nice and neat in here. And it's all labeled as well. So there you go. Hope that helps. And we'll see you next time.